Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Modern Warfare 2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. We just want to head into the game over up, and from here in the top right corner, click this little cog to go to the settings and select account network. Now once you open up this, you should see active as an account, and if yours isn't actually linked, you want to go ahead and link it. So once it's actually linked, you can click on this, and as you see, here's the option to change display name. So if you want to change it, we just click on this and then we can go ahead and type in whatever name you want. I hope it is actually available to take. So as you can see, I've actually got 2 tokens, and you own 1 rename token every 6 months. So if you do change your name, you've only got 1 token. Make sure it is something that you're happy with, because otherwise you'll be stuck for 6 months. You won't be able to change it, and after you've done that, you simply just have to restart your game and your new name will be saved. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.